In this video, I will show you how to make a square knot. Today, we're going to be using our Jersey Be Good yarn in the bubblegum pink colourway. Let's get started. Begin by cutting your strands as instructed by your pattern. Today, I'm going to be working with 4 strands. Think of these as A, B, and then I've got 2 in the middle. Take strand A and bring it over the middle strands and under strand B, like so. Now take B and bring it under the 2 middle strands and through the loop formed by A. So under the middle strands and then up through this loop, like so. Now bring A from left to right over the middle strands and under B. So over the middle strands and then under B. Now take B and bring it under the middle strands and through this new loop formed by A. And you're now going to pull on your 2 strands to tighten up your knot. So there you have it. That's how to make a square knot.